So guys, here we one more solving video has been came, and this in today's video we are solving a 389 easy one, and the topic is find the difference. Okay, this is a topic and we are covering in today's video, and we have a 389 question. Okay, and this is a easy one. So let's see it, and now please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. Okay, so there's our 389 question on how to find a difference, and this is an easy one, and this is a part 2. Okay, weekly contest 2. The weekly contest 1 we have already completed 3 1. In the weekly contest 1 there is 3 topics and we all cover it. So this is our weekly contest 2, and in this there are only 3 topics which we are covering. But first of all, in today's video we are solving a 389. Find the difference in the weekly contest 2. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Let's solve our 389 question of the find the difference, and this is our very short question. Okay, so that's why the video has been short also. Okay, but in today's video we are solving a 389 question by the name of how to find a difference, and this is an easy one. And by the mistake I uploaded one video on 3401, so this is the mistake, so sorry for it, but ignore that video. I will be upload that video one more time. Okay, but let me tell you what is the 389 question, what is the how to find a difference. So this is our question. This video will be short because the question is not any big and the answer has been also been not any big. Okay, so that's why the video has been smaller a little bit, I think so. But let's read the first of all let's read the question. This is an easy one, and this is our weekly contest 2. Okay, you are given two integer s and t. It say you can here it has been given me the two integer s and t. Here you can see it in this second line. It has given me the two integer s and t. Here you can see it, two integer. String two strings. Sorry, I'm by the mistake I'm integer. I'm saying string t is generated by random shuffling string s, and then add one more letter at a random position. Return the letter that was added to t. It is saying me return the letter. We wanted to return the letter that was added to t. So in the example let me give me like s equals to a b c d, then t a b c d e. So output will become e because e is the letter that was added. So I understand it is saying me, and then example 2. Okay, I understand it is saying me string t is generated by random shuffling string s, and then add one more letter at a random position, return the letter that was added to t. Okay, I understand the test case. Okay, test case a b c d, put e and y. Okay, I understand this. So now let's start to write a code. First of all, here we initialize, means first of all we define a comment. Here we first of all it's here we initialize a dictionary. What we here we initialize one dictionary to store character counts. In this line we can do this, so we write count then equals to curly brackets. Now in this line we count the characters in a string t. So count the characters in the string t. So let's count it. So for c in t, first of all we define a for loop c in t. Now here we define count. Okay, first of all here I am count the characters in a string t. So in this line, so c equals to count dot get c comma 0 then plus 1. Now here I subtract counts for characters in string s. So in the 7th and 8th line here we count the characters in the string t, and in the 4th line here we initialize a dictionary. Okay, here we initialize a dictionary to store a character counts. Okay, so now then you can select Python 3, not Python. Okay, now when I do this, so I define for loop one more time, because here I subtract counts for characters in a string s. Okay, count c minus equals to then 1. Now here I write if count C equals to 0, then like this. Then I write here del count C. Now when I do this, so here in the 12, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, in this 14 line here I subtract the counts for characters in the string S in the 11 till 14 line, okay. And let's see the question one more time, and then let's see the question. It say return the letter that was added to T, okay. Okay, string T is generated by random shuffling string S, and then add one more letter at a random position. You are given the random position, okay. You are giving a two string S and T, okay. Here we are using the two integers, two strings S and T, okay, perfect. We are using it S and T, and then okay. So let's interpret one more time. So now here we write the remaining, means here I remaining, here we the remaining character in the dictionary is the difference, okay. So here the remaining character in the dictionary is the difference, okay, difference. So here I define return, because I say return the letter that was added to T. So let's do this. Return the letter that was added to T, means return the letter that was added to T. So return list, let's define a list count dot keys, okay. Let's return the letter that was added to T keys, and then one more time do like square bracket and 0. Okay, so now let's recheck the answer, okay. I think so it is perfect. In the last line here we written the letter that was added to T, here I written the letter that was added to T, perfect. So here I find it a difference, so here you can see it. Okay, so now, and you are thinking why I'm writing code very fastly, because I'm the master in Python. Like you know, in this Rayyan channel I uploaded the many videos on the Python. So let me show you Rayyan. So let's click on to my channel, and in this channel I uploaded 165 videos on the Python. So that's why I'm very master in the Python. That's why I am writing code very fastly, like you all the people know. Okay, so we write it. So let's run this and let's see our answer is correct or not. So let's run it. So now let's see. So okay, here you can see it. Our all cases are accepted. In the case 1 the output will become E, and my output has becoming E. So in the case 2 the output will become Y, and my output has becoming Y. So our this question has been also be corrected of the 318 and find the difference. And in that 4th line here we utilize a dictionary to store a character counts. In the 7th and 8th line here we count the characters in a string T, and the 10, 11 till 14 line here we subtract the counts for a characters in a string S, and in the 70 line here I do the remaining character in a dictionary is a difference. So let's submit this code and let's see the output now. So when I submit, so here you can see in the 3 milliseconds I have solved this question, and we beat 52.81% people, and it's a memory, and here you can see it, this is our code. So we solve our 389 question about the find the difference, and this is the easy one which we have solved it. So in the next video we are solving the medium one, so get ready for it. So I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy the video, so please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you know I will these type of videos on it, and click on to my profile by the name of Rayyan Bake, and see my profile and view my profile, okay. And this is my profile by the name of Rayyan Bake, and this is my profile, and I solve it daily, okay, daily basis, but I do not solve it on Saturday and Sunday, but I solve it daily basis, Monday till Friday. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. In this video I have told you about in the 389 question how to find the difference. So now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.